and welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela and today I'm going to be testing out some brow products for you guys. Pretty much, yeah. I'm going to be testing out some brow products. Two new brow products that came out on the market and are very interesting. So yes, if you are interested to see what products they are, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. That will really help my channel. And also don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, especially Instagram. That is where I post everything, all my updates, YouTube updates, fashion, beauty, all that kind of stuff. So today I am going to be testing out the Brow Micro Filling Pen by Benefit. Now this has hit the market and it's exciting because it's actually got a 3-tip head on it. I've only seen one other company do that, and that was, two other companies. That was the Milk Makeup. Unfortunately, we don't get that here in Australia. And the Revolution one, which I have here, but it is wrong. It is in the wrong shade. So I'm really excited to try this one because I've heard so many good things. And the other one that I am testing out is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen, which looks like an eyeliner pen. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm going to be testing out both. I've got them on my eyebrows at the moment. Which one do you guys think which one it is? But yeah, I'm going to be testing out and seeing what, how these brow products work and which one I think is better value for money. And yeah, so if you're really interested, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to be testing out two products. So yes, I've got the Brow Micro Filling Pen by Benefit. I've got this in the shade medium brown, and I also have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen, which looks like a felt pen in medium brow as well. So I'm going to do one on one eyebrow and one on the other. So I've got nothing in my eyebrows at the moment. I'm going to start off with the Benefit product first. I find this very interesting because it's like, it's got three little kind of like blade things, if you can see. Yeah. So I'm going to try that out. I'm going to bring you guys in a little bit as well. So I'm just going to do like little strokes. Now, I will say that this is very light, so it is very light. It's a lot lighter than my actual brow. I don't mind how that looks. I will say that, yeah, I will need to get maybe the darker one, but I don't mind how that kind of looks. It kind of looks very like a natural. What I will do is I'm going to put some brow gel in my brow as well. And then on the other side, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Now this is more like a pen kind of thing. Kind of like a liner pen. And I'm just going to do this brow. I will say this is very hard to use. Like, it does make a better point, but it's very like, I don't know, with the 3 blades, with the Benefit one, it was very easy because it was like 3 blades. This one I'm just finding very like, you've got to be very precise of where you put. But I do like it for the front of the brow to get those hair strokes. I'm just going to try and put some gel in there. So just looking at my brows now, I don't know which one I like better. This one's a lot more softer, and this is the Benefit brow, and then this one's a lot more harsher because of the darkness. What I will do as well, just because I know I need it at the front, I'm gonna put some brow gel, darker brow gel at the front of my brow hairs. I like to make my brows look really fluffy. I do need them to go get them tattooed again. But yeah, this one looks really sharp compared to this one. Looks more fluffier and like a rounded edge. And this one's got more of a defined edge there with the pen. But other than that, I think I like the Benefit one a little bit more, but then I like the Anastasia one for the front of the brow because you can really get precise strokes. Either way, whichever one you go with the Benefit one, I would go up a shade, so I might end up getting the darker shade, and then with the Anastasia Beverly Hill one, go with your normal shade, which is, mine was medium brown. But yeah, I really do like the 3 strokes on the Benefit one. It just looks a lot more softer and more fluffy. With the Anastasia one, I do like it at the front of the brow, or to make those really precise strokes, and also it will make it like a sharp, more sharper edge compared to the Benefit one. But either or, I'd probably go with the Benefit one. Just because it looks a lot more fluffy, but I know I need to get the darker shade. So yeah, either or, they're both really good products. I do like them. It's a bit different to my Anastasia Brow Wiz, which I always use, which I really like, but I wanted to try out some new brow products because I don't know, I really want to try something a little bit different. But yeah, overall, I think I like the Benefit brow pen a lot more than the other Anastasia one, just because it's a lot more easier to use. This one you've got to be very precise and light-handed as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and this little kind of like tutorial of me testing out these 2 products. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!